Hi folks, Russ from ProSteamUK here. Once again, we are cleaning and sealing a floor for Simply Carpets and Flooring. It's a brand new Amtico floor, and it's in this entrance hallway of this lovely house. And the guys have done a fantastic job. However, Simply Carpets really don't see that the job is finished completely until it's been cleaned and sealed. So we are going to deep clean this floor, and we are going to apply a very durable matte finish sealer, and that sealer will offer up to 12 to 18 months protection before it needs to be stripped and resealed. And what we are hoping to achieve here is a nice rich colour in the tile without increasing the gloss levels. So remember, we never make expensive floors look cheap. Okay, nothing worse than a lovely floor that has a gloss finish to it. We're going to time lapse this, so you'll be able to see part of the process, the cleaning and then the sealing. So let's come back to this once we have applied 2 coats of the matte hard seal. There you have it, folks. One Amtico floor deep cleaned and protected using Dr. Schutz's secure and matte hard seal. As you can see, it's enhanced the colour of the tile. It's achieving a really nice, rich, deep colour without increasing reflection levels. So it's achieving somewhere between a matte and a satin finish, and I think you'll agree that that looks really nice, classy, and this floor will be ready to use, will be fully cured in 24 hours. We supply all our customers with overshoes, which is what I'm wearing now, so you can walk on the floor, usually around about an hour after the second application of secure matte hard seal has been applied. So there you go. We are very pleased with this now, and we believe that all luxury vinyl tile, especially new luxury vinyl tile, requires a deep clean and a seal once it's been installed. Thanks for watching.